Vanakkam. I'm sorry, my Tamil is not very good, not at all. I'm trying, except for Thalaiva, I don't know any other Tamil word. So, last time I met somebody in the plane, and they said, never ever speak Tamil. So because I think they were very angry of what I did in Om Shanti Om. Ramba nanelle rakki atti patti katti munedar yenna raskala. So I'll not try my Tamil, I'm sorry. But I didn't even know actually I'm the chief guest for this function. So first of all, I'm extremely grateful. Thank you so much, Soundarya. Thank you, Lataji. Thank you, Rajni sir. Thank you, Aishwarya. Thank you, your whole family, for making me feel so important. I thought I don't come here, I just was coming for fun because it's always wonderful to meet Rajni sir. And so I come here in 3 ways, 3 reasons I come here. The first reason is I come here as a fan. I'm like all of you, a big Rajni Garu fan. So many years ago when I landed in Mumbai 24 years ago, that time previously known as Bombay, I'd landed there and I went to Mukesh Mill, and I think Rajni sir was shooting for a Hindi film. So I saw him from far. He was standing in front of a big mirror and he was practicing how to do the cigarette throw in his mouth and get it right. And I saw for hours, you know, there were a lot of actors and they were doing their thing, they were having lunch, but Rajni sir kept on practicing it and he was getting it right every time like he does in the film, but he kept practicing it. And it's one of the learning lessons of my life that, you know, someone of his stature, someone of his talent, someone of his greatness keeps on working so hard so that all of you are always happy. So thank you, sir, for teaching me that. So I come as a fan. I come as a friend because I was in need of a lot of help during the making of Ravan. And I would like to thank Soundarya, Lataji, Rajni sir, Dr. Murli. All of them came forward and overnight helped me out. And even Shankar sir, thank you. He didn't know it then, but I stole Chitti and put him in Ravan. So thank you for allowing me to do that. I come as a friend because whenever I come to Chennai, whenever I come down to Tamil Nadu, all of you have given me lots and lots of love. So thank you. And I come here as a seeker of knowledge. I've always said the films made here actually make our country the proudest. The film cinema by K. Balachandra sir, Shankar sir, such amazing talent here, Sharad Saab, all the great doyens who are sitting here, all of them, they have taught us so much in cinema, some of them not here, some of them there, and Ravi Saab and all the talent, some of the names I'm not, it's very difficult to remember the names when you have to keep on trying to remember the name of this film. I know now, Deepika's taught me, Ko, like in a company, Chadi, like in get on top, and so Ko, Chadi, Yan means like a plane. So I've got it. Ko Chadiyan, yeah. I've got it, yeah. See, you're not the only lyric writer who knows the meaning of Ko Chadiyan, yeah? I can also do it also. Okay, so sorry about the jokes, but yeah, I come as a seeker of knowledge because I think some of these great doyens, Rahman Saab included, all of these people have taken Indian cinema to a different level. I was extremely excited when 4 or 5 years ago Soundarya mentioned about this ambitious project because this is going to change cinema in this country, and I genuinely believe that this first step towards performance capture, photorealistic cinema that has been introduced by Ko Chadiyan is going to be one of the finest steps in the Indian film industry. So thank you very much for doing this. All of you people here on the dais, all the people behind the scenes, all the people who worked on the stages for introducing us to this extremely fantastic technology and taking Indians. And I know the troubles you must have gone through, so thank you very much. So I come as a seeker of knowledge. And I said, I won't take too much time because I've been listening to all the speeches. I want to thank you all because half of it I could not understand. So I only reacted to what, when you clapped, I also clapped. So when you laughed, I also laughed. And there was a section when everybody was very serious. So I also made the proper sound. So thank you very much for helping with all the speeches. So I'll keep this short. But I want to say before I go, like I said, I'm here as a fan. So I'll do a little song for Rajni sir and everyone. Sorry. First, I have to even mention Eros for putting your money where your mouth is and making this great film, guys. Another fantastic job. And thank you, Dr. Murli, for taking this on. This is really lovely for Indian audiences and such a hard work. And I'd like to tell everyone, please, when the film releases, everyone go and watch it in hordes and numbers, because this genuinely is the finest step of technology Indian cinema will ever see, and it's only going to prosper and flourish from here. And yeah, so I want to tell everyone that all the Rajini fans, don't get up the chance. Do this. So I'm going to say, Kochariyan, 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 Kochariyan. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you, sir, for taking Indian cinema where you've taken. And all of you, have a great time, have a fun time. And, mashallah, I pray to Allah that make this film the biggest hit ever in the history of Indian cinema. Thank you very much, everyone.